Dang it! That sucks. I think we're gonna do it again. $50. Well, the siren was rotating, but all I heard was an ambience. So I heard, well, the siren started rotating, but I heard the Rockwall P10 by the water tower, close to the 30 on Walmart, near Walmart, and I heard the T-128 near the Sonic on 276, and the one on Foxwood Lane, and you probably heard the T-125 near the Sonic. But I sound like I heard a P50. But yeah, there's also a siren down there. It's on what's it called? It's by the water tower called I forgot. But it's near a water tower. But yeah, I guess that'll be it. Well, this is on Top Stroke.